Congratulations! You've got an offer through clearing. Just follow our step-by-step guide on what to do next and you'll be celebrating in no time. Step 1. We'll send you an email confirming your provisional offer. In this email, there's a link to UCAS Hub. Just click on this link. Step 2. Log in to your UCAS Hub account, or if you don't have a UCAS account, create one now. It's pretty straightforward. If you don't hold any other offers, simply click on the Add a Clearing Choice button. Now, just add Leeds Beckett University and the course we've made you an offer to study. But if you already hold an offer from another university, you'll need to release yourself from this before you can add us as your clearing choice. To do this, click on Decline My Place on the offer you hold and select the option that best describes why you'd like to decline that place. Such as, I've received an alternative offer elsewhere and I prefer the content of the other course. You'll then be able to apply for your course at Leeds Beckett through clearing by clicking the Add a Clearing Choice button, which will now appear in your UCAS Hub account. Then, add Leeds Beckett and the appropriate course as your choice. Step 3. Once you've added us as your choice on UCAS Hub, we'll be in touch as soon as possible. Step 4. Your UCAS Hub account will now show that your place at Leeds Beckett is confirmed. Step 5. If you want to book accommodation, we're ready to hear from you. We've got a range of rooms available in the city and we'll support you to find a place in our halls or via our network of private accommodation suppliers. You can visit our website or call us for more information. Step 6. We'll be in touch via email with all the important bits you need to know before you start, such as how to upload a photo for your student card, meeting other students online thanks to our New Starters Facebook group, getting enrolled, and viewing your induction timetable. Now, sit back and relax. All the hard work is done.